You are going to love the 2022 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, front-wheel drive, front-wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.